In this video, I will be showing you how to create tasks and subtasks in list view on ClickUp. ClickUp's task and subtask feature provides a powerful and organized way to break down complex projects into manageable steps. With tasks as the main building blocks, you can create subtasks to add more granularity to your workflow. This hierarchy allows for clear delegation, collaboration, and tracking of progress. Tasks can be generated from all task views except Map and Activity. In the list view, follow these steps to create a task. Locate any group of tasks and click on the plus New Task option found at the bottom of the list. Provide a name for the task, and you may also include additional task details if desired. Finally, click on Save. Here's how you can create a subtask from the list view. If the task doesn't have any subtasks, simply hover over the task and click on the Create Subtask icon. Provide a name for your subtask. If needed, you have the option to add an assignee, due date, or any other additional information. To save your newly created subtask, click Save or press the Enter key on your PC or the Return key on Mac. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.